Hey there everyone, how are you all? It's me, Dimple Mom. In the last video, we studied paint. So what can we do in paint? We can draw pictures, we can do coloring, right? Now, today we are going to learn how you can type words on a computer. So, how do we type words on a computer? We use Microsoft Word to type words on a computer. So today we are going to learn MS Word 2010. MS is short for Microsoft. Okay? So let us begin. So what can you do with Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word helps you to write essays, letters, poems, and much more. So basically, you can type using Microsoft Word. So first, I'll teach you how you can open Microsoft Word. So, it is very easy to open Microsoft Word. First of all, what do you have to do? Once the computer is on, you have to click on the Start button. Then you have to select All Programs. After that, you have to click on the Microsoft Office folder. When you will click on the Microsoft Office folder, you will find some options. From those options, you have to select Microsoft Word 2010. Then after following all the steps, the Microsoft Word 2010 window will appear. Okay. Now, this is the Microsoft Word 2010 window. Let us study the Quick Access Toolbar. I'm going to teach you some components of Microsoft Word 2010. The first one is the Quick Access Toolbar. Can you see the Quick Access Toolbar? See, I'm pointing at it with the arrow. So it appears at the upper left corner of the MS Word 2010 window. And what are the buttons? It contains the Save button, Undo button, Redo button. So these are the most commonly used options. Now the next one is the Title bar. So, can you see the title bar? The title bar is on the top of the MS Word 2010 window, and it displays the name of the program and the active document. The next one is the ribbon. Where is the ribbon? The ribbon is below the title bar. This one. And the ribbon is divided into some tabs like File, Home, Insert, Page Layout, References, Mailing, Review, and View. And each of these tabs has some groups. These groups contain various options that we use in MS Word 2010. Now let us see the ruler. Now, what do we use a ruler for? You all have scales with you, right? They are also called rulers. So what is the use of a ruler? The ruler measures the length and width and also shows the margins. The next one that we have is the scroll bar. So what is a scroll bar? It is a long thin strip with arrows and a sliding section at the edge of the window. And there are two scroll bars. One is the horizontal scroll bar and one is the vertical scroll bar. Horizontal scroll bar is used for shifting the screen display left or right. And vertical scroll bar is used for shifting the screen display up or down. Okay? The next one that we have is the work area. The work area is the area in the document window where you type the text. Okay? That is where you can type whatever you want to type. The next one is the cursor. So what is a cursor? I hope everybody knows what it is. The cursor is the blinking vertical line in the work area that shows the location. Okay? एक लाइन होती है जो ब्लिंक होती रहती है, वर्क एरिया में होती है वो लाइन, and it shows you that अभी आप exactly कहाँ पर हो, आप कहाँ पर टाइप कर रहे हो. Okay? The next one is the status bar. The status bar displays the page number, word count, language, page layout, and zoom slider. Now we have view buttons. Now there are various view buttons like print layout, full screen reading, web layout, outline and draft. So you can view the page on which you are working in any of these formats by just clicking on the buttons directly. You can just click on the buttons and you can see कि अभी आप कौन से पेज पर हो. Okay? The next one that we have is the zoom slider. Now what is a zoom slider used for? You can zoom in to get a close-up view of your file or zoom out to see more of the page at a reduced size. अगर आपको कुछ बड़ा करके देखना है, zoom करके देखना है, तो you can use it. और अगर आपको कुछ बहुत छोटा करके देखना है, then also you can use this option. Okay? Now we are going to learn how you can create a new document in MS Word 2010. Now creating a new document is very, very easy. I'll show you what you have to do. First, you have to click on the File tab. Where will you find the File tab? In the ribbon. Now, you have to select the new option from the left pane. Okay? Now, you have to click the blank document from the templates that appear. You will find a lot of templates, but you have to click on the blank document. And once you do that, a new document will open up. Okay? See, instead of doing all this, what you can do, you can also press Ctrl and N on the keyboard. You will find a button, a control button, and along with the control button, अगर आप N वाली key को press करोगे, then also a new document will open up. So this is a shortcut for opening a new document. Okay? Now, we are going to learn how you can save a document in MS Word. Okay? So see, for saving a document also we have a shortcut. For opening a document, I told you that you have to press Ctrl and N. For saving a document, you have to press Ctrl and S. Okay? Let's learn one more way. You can click on the File tab from the ribbon and then you can select the Save option if you want to save a document. Then you have to select the location where you want to save the file. Okay? Then you can type the name of the file. You can keep it whatever you wish. It can be your name. It could be anything. Then you have to click on the Save button, which you will find in the lower right corner of the dialog box. Okay? So, once you do this much, what will happen after doing this much? Your file will be saved. Okay? So, we learned about how you can open a new document, how you can save a document. Now, suppose आपने अगर कोई document save किया है और फिर आपको बाद में कभी उसे open करना है, तो how can you open? To open a saved document, you have to click on the Open option. Where you will find the Open option? In the File tab. Okay? Then you have to select the name of the file that you want to open. Suppose अगर आपने किसी file का name रखा था environment, तो अगर आपको वही वाली file open करनी है, तो आपको environment पर click करना है. Okay? Then you have to click on the Open button. And then your file will open up. And there is one shortcut. If you want to open any of your documents, you can also press Ctrl and O. If you will press Ctrl and O, By using this also you can open. फिर आपको फाइल पर जाके ओपन पर क्लिक नहीं करना पड़ेगा. You can just press Control and O. Okay, if you will press Control and O, तो आपके पास में सारे ऑप्शंस आ जाएंगे कि आपको कौन सी फाइल ओपन करनी है. Then you can just select. Okay. Now, how to close a document in MS Word? Suppose आपने सब कर लिया, आपने आपकी फाइल को सेव भी कर दिया. अब आपको नहीं करना है कुछ भी काम. You want to close the document. So how will you close the document? To close a document, you have to click on the close button. And where will you find the close button? At the upper right corner of the title bar. Okay? Suppose अगर आपने close button पर click किया और अगर आपने आपकी फाइल को सेव नहीं करा है, तो क्या होगा जब आप क्लोज बटन पर क्लिक करोगे तो एक डायलॉग बॉक्स आएगा जिस पर मेंशन होगा कि आपको आपकी फाइल को सेव करना है या नहीं करना है. तो व्हाट विल यू डू? इफ यू वांट टू सेव, यू कैन क्लिक ऑन द सेव बटन और आपका जो फाइल होगा वो सेव हो जाएगा. ओके. अब देयर इज वन मोर वे through which you can close your document. What is it? You can click on the File tab from the ribbon and then you can click on Exit option. जब आप File tab पर क्लिक करोगे तो एक ड्रॉप डाउन एक लिस्ट ओपन होगी आपके सामने which is called a drop down list. उसमें से आप Exit option अगर चूज करोगे तो आप Exit option पर क्लिक करके भी आपका जो फाइल है that you can close. Okay? And here also, if your document is not saved, अगर आपने document save नहीं किया है, तो dialog box will appear where they will ask you that your file is not saved. Do you want to save your file or not? So if you want to save, you can click on the save button. Okay. So this was all about MS Word. I hope that you enjoyed learning it, and I would like all of you to try it out. Try to type whatever you want. It is up to you. You can write an essay, you can write a poem, you can write anything. Okay? So do give it a try. Okay, everyone? Bye.